我記得咪 right in execution 係咪有個係
right into execute 嗰個
咯，
係啊 very OK 哇喺而家諗落都幾多字。
咪現增純
呢個
現增純一樣嗰啲。
係啊嗰個 right of execution 嗱呢個咧就即係完成咗嘅 contract， 即係 close of escrow 完咗㗎啦。呢個咧就即係進行中，咁即係未完成咯。咁呢度咧就其實係講緊 contract 嘅。但係呢個咧 right of execution 咧，其實咧就係嗰段時期咧，嗱首先第一個 arraignment 咧就即係話過堂咯，過堂即係認罪定唔認罪咯。guilty or not guilty 嘅咋。跟住咧就 attachment 即係話究竟我哋用邊個法律依據去決定嗰單案。咁喺呢度成段咧就叫 lis pendens 啊嘛，即係 lawsuit pending 嘅時候咧，當我哋呢度有 judgment 嘅時候，判決，如果判決判咗，咁我哋就叫 execution 啦。即係話假設喺呢段時間裏邊嗰個judgment 咧冇執行到嘅時候咧，咁佢就要執行啦。咁所以呢個就叫 execution。Whereas 咧 executory 啦，咪 executrix 或者 executor 啦，
男女啊嘛。
係啦，就係你頭先講得啱啦，就係男女啦，呢個女呢個男，就係嗰個行使遺囑嗰個，行使 will 嗰個人，係遺囑裏邊指定嘅，咁咯，咁 which is 都啱啊，你 so far 好好啊。